Wonderful word for Unit 11, Before Our Time. Page 61. Exercises 7, 8 and 9. So this lesson, we're going to be focusing on two different phonetic sounds. The in mammoth and the ng in strong. Now, as you're making these new phonetic sounds with your students, have them pay special attention to your mouth as you make these sounds. So, mammoth, mammoth, ng, strong, ng, strong, ng. Okay. As the students are getting more comfortable with these sounds, you can then move on to the listen and repeat exercise. So, mammoth, strong. Mammoths were strong. Now, as the students are getting more and more comfortable with these words and sounds, you can then move on to exercise 8, listen and chant. Now, this is a fun way in which the students can practice these new sounds. They can practice the words that have these sounds and also some sentences that use these words. So, let's have a look at our chant. Mammoths, mammoths, mammoths. Mammoths weren't big elephants. Strong, strong, strong. Mammoths were really strong. Okay. Have your students practice this chant a few times just so they get more and more familiar. As they're getting more familiar with these sounds and words, you can then move on to our last exercise. Exercise 9, say it. Now this is where the students can look at 4 different pictures and they can say the sentences that describe each picture. So for example, number 1, my dog was very strong and clever. Number 2, early people were small but they were strong. Number 3, T-Rex was a strong dinosaur. And number 4, mammoths were strong. Drill these sentences first with your students so they get a good idea of them. Then have the students practice saying these sentences with their partner. Now, this is where you can go around the classroom and check on some of the students' pronunciation. Pay special attention to the words that have those targeted sounds and really target that phonetic sound if they're having trouble. So for example, mammoths were strong. Mammoths, mammoths, mammoths. Okay. That is the end of this lesson.